Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making an elf tumbler. These are the colors: Yunque, Holo Gold, Banana, and Blackie. The first thing I have is my template, and I'm cutting the borders so that I have the exact measurement. The exact measurement for this particular tumbler is 9.5 inches by 8.5. So I am wrapping my tumbler on the template, as you can see here. Once I have it all wrapped, I'm gonna go ahead and take out my transfer tape so that I can start taking out the parts that I want to start working with. The first one I'm gonna do is the triangle in the middle with yellow. I'm gonna apply a little bit of acrylic paint yellow to my Mod Podge. I'm gonna mix it and apply it in the area that I already took out, which is a triangle. As you can see, I'm applying this, and I'm gonna apply banana glitter, which is the yellow from Love All Bling. Now I'm going to work on parts of the belt. I already took out the part of the belt, and I'm using Blackie, which is my black. Now I'm going to do the top half, and I'm going to be using Yunque. That is the green, one of the greens from Love All Bling. Now I'm taking out the stencil for the belt buckle, and I'm applying my Mod Podge, and I'm going to be using Holo Gold for this section. Now I'm applying my second coat of all the colors, applying my Mod Podge, and repeating the process all over again to have my second coat. After my second coat is completed, I apply my resin. After it cured, now I'm sanding and applying my details, which I'm using vinyl glitter gold, and I'm applying all the little details like the buttons, the belt buckle, and the lines or stripes to give it more definition. After this is all done, I'm gonna apply my last coat of epoxy, and then I can apply any little detail or name that the customer wants. Hope you all enjoy it and it was useful. Remember, all the supplies are from Love All Bling. Follow us on social media, and again, thank you for your support.